Hey everybody, Adam Silverman here with Muletown Digital. Today I'm going to give you 10 signs that your website needs to be rebuilt. So the 10 signs you need to rebuild your website. Number 1, it doesn't get you any leads. If your website is not actually generating emails or phone calls to your business, that's a big reason to start looking at starting over. Number 2 would be it's not mobile friendly. So if you load your website in your iPhone and you have to scroll off to the side to see your content, that's probably not a good thing for either your users or for Google. Number 3, you don't know how to update your website or you can't get it updated. So say you've got a custom built website from 7 or 8 years ago, you can't update content. That's a pretty significant reason to start over. Number 4 is that your brand has changed. So let's say you've updated your logo in your storefront, or you've changed the way that you talk about your business. Your whole website no longer fits that from a content strategy standpoint. It's probably time to rebuild. If you have low traffic or a high bounce rate, so if you're running Google Analytics, you would be able to tell if you've got 100% or a 95% bounce rate on your site, that means people don't stay there and read. It's time to start over. Number 6 would be that it's super slow to load. Sometimes we can fix a slow website by caching and other options like CDNs, but sometimes it's the build is so bad that no matter what we do, we're not going to get you under 3 seconds, and that's a good reason to rebuild. Number 7 would be you have broken structure. So your website structure no longer makes sense, meaning you have lots and lots of pages that you don't use. You have broken links everywhere, like nothing about it is streamlined. That's a good reason to start over. Number 8 would be that you've changed your business direction. So say that you've added a bunch of new products and services to your line and you're not showing them on your website, you don't know how to get them on your website, or the whole focus of your business changed. Very, very good indicator that you need to start with a new site. Number 9, you have an outdated design. If your design looks like it was designed 10, 20, or 30 years ago, or has like things that blink, or all kinds of different problems with mobile views. Maybe it's that you're using gradients like crazy, or you've got images that have a bunch of text in the pictures that Google can't understand. That's a really good sign that you've got an outdated design and needs to be redone. And number 10 is my favorite. It costs more to fix than flush. So if you are getting estimates to fix your site and we're like, it's gonna be $5,000 to $7,000 to fix all the problems you have, really, really good indicator that it's time to start over. So those are 10 super clear signs. It's time for a rebuild. I hope that that's helpful to your business. As always, hit us up if you have any questions. Thanks.